Hey everyone, today I'm sharing with you one of the best chicken recipe which is great in taste and also very quick to make. This recipe over the years has become my family's favorite, and why you know that? Only when you make it for your own family. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the marination. Add around 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste in 1 kg chicken, followed by 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3 teaspoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, red food color, squeeze in half lemon. Mix this all and keep aside at least for 30 minutes. You can also keep this marination overnight. Now let's move into the cooking process. Add in some butter, then add marinated chicken, stir it for few seconds, then cover it and let it cook onto a medium flame till the raw smells of masala will goes away. When masala cook nicely and you can see oil separates, then add in tomato puree of 3 tomatoes, stir it for few seconds, cover it and let it cook with chicken for minute and so. Then add in half cup of yogurt, give a nice stir to it. Then add in 1 cup of crushed birista, that is brown fried onion, which is around 3 to 4 medium size onion. Saute it for 1 minute. At this stage you could add water to it as per your need. Then cover it and cook it on medium flame until chicken is done. And when you see oil on the top of its surface, then add in paste of almond, which is around 15 to 16 I have taken here. Just soak them into the hot water for 15 minutes. Peel its skin, grind it and make a paste of it and add into the gravy. Instead of almonds, you can take cashew nut as well. Also add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream. Give a stir to it. Just cook for few more minutes and at the end give a smoke to it. And that's it. It's done and ready. Garnish with coriander leaves, dish out and serve it with ginger garlic and green chilies.